so reporters, what is business cycle? Business. Sa book market. Sa book market. So, business cycle map is business cycle refers to a recurring pattern of expansion of the economy and the construction, which occurs in a market economy process. And if it is characterized by anong expansion of it is where the economy is growing and the contraction wherein the economy is shrinking. Now, in your own understanding, what is business cycle? From the word cycle. Downswing of business. Economy. And that is based on our gross domestic product. So therefore, if the economy is at a recovery stage, what is the economic situation? So when you say we improve our economy, what does it mean? What will happen to our gross domestic product? There is an increase in gross domestic product. And when there is an increase in gross domestic product, what happens to production and income? Okay, there is an increase in production, and at the same time, from increase in production, there is an increase in income. Now, how about the peak point? The peak stage. How about the peak stage? What is the economic situation? Okay, it is a peak stage wherein ang atong economy is reaching its peak point. So, atong GDP is very high. Question: do you think the Philippines has reached that stage? Do you think we have reached that stage? If yes, it's ang administration. Are you sure? Nasa peak point? Okay, I want the reporters to come up to research kung ang Philippines naka-experience ba as peak or homestay sa our society.
Saan ang Kadigong? 21 ka? Kadigong? 3 minutes at yun.
Search if we are able to reach that stage. Panahon pa ni